My mission is simple. What's up, everyone? My name is Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. In this channel, I will try as much as I can to make my analysis simplistic. I intend to analyze different stocks, entry, exit strategies, weekend watch list, trade recap, and dividend stock portfolio. Smash that like button and consider subscribing if you haven't done that already. Plus, if you have any questions, concerns, or any stock you want me to look at, please email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com, or you can follow me on StockTweet or on Twitter at FRONKTSS at FRONKTSS. Videos and tweets are not financial advice, okay? This is my Twitter account and this is my stock tweet. So, peace and love, guys. Bye-bye.